Welcome back to the channel. Now people, I said the TikTok thing gets serious. A Jamaican singer is dead in Guyana. And people are saying because of some things that Mackerel say on a TikTok live or doing a TikTok challenge. Now when pressed for an apology, Mackerel says she not apologize because of them first disrespect our youth. Now a Jamaican singer is dead in Sofia, Guyana. Now I'm going to hear all of what going on and then we continue reasoning. Look and listen.
Lift pan girl. I'm a man who lift pan good Jamaican girl. My mama make kill up on the chest. On a kill up on the chest.
Wait.
Remember I wake up Guyana. Girl, me attack. When me attack, you know about a box.
Shut up. Wait, cockroach, who gave you the right to talk? Mackerel, look at you.
Furniture.
I don't have furniture. Mackerel, wait. For the people who claim that they have money, but them can't afford to do their hair, how wanna do it? I saw no broke.
I'm gonna tell him. I'm gonna talk to you. I'm gonna tell him something, Guyana. The one I see them look apology. I'm not gonna apology. No go suck on the mama again. No apology. No get over here. So the two look a bit enough. Only that look no nonsense. People look a strive for girl. Now gonna blood clad apology. Wanna sit down and wait. Sit down and wait, Panny day. Sit down and wait. More to the sitting away for the blood clot apology. Oh, me? With me? If I miss it, go on the apology, on that dead before a blood clot come. When I smart it, we forget about apologize for what? For what reason? For what reason? For what reason? I mean, I train a play. So here what I go do? Una go blood clot group up and go teeth and blood clot get some kind.
Hey, shut up. Don't waste my time. Play my. Yeah, that means I don't just understand you at all. I don't understand you at all. No, thank you, Mara. Thank you. Guys, please, we need 5 more persons to send a row.
Guys, use it.
Queen, thank you so much. Okay. Guys, please, 5 more persons. Kiribu, thank you so much. 2 more, guys, 2 more. Foxita, thank you so much. Guys, one more. No, 2 more. No, sir. We didn't catch the speed, guys. But that's not a problem. How people are broke.
Guys, use it everywhere.
Put. Let me tell you, when I come out for the live yesterday and I listened to the video, I said no to blood clot so real. I said she got the Pitney Road.
She got the Pitney Road.
She got the Pitney Road.
Hey, over top. God, me ask for forgiveness, but you know, see them first talk about my Pitney. Whatever me and Trini have, it was joke and fun. But God, you know, say when I involve my Pitney, when I go through all heap of things with God, you know, say I'm not serious.
Oh,
God, me ask for forgiveness. God, you know, me ask for forgiveness. If you don't understand the game, you don't lift up. That me I tell you no. Sorry.
Yeah, when I watched the video, I figured it was when I even saw you and the girl, like the girl where I play, the braid up ear girl, I said, okay, so it's one of these things then. But when I saw this video now, when the lady got kids, I said, Bombo, she got the kids wrote. Jesus, you serious?
Is that it? Please, Guyana, on a please, try size up with my Pitney. On a cuss me if you don't want to cuss me. I'm an Anglo now, but it's when I go my Pitney, when I not go do it. I'm not gonna sit down and I'm gonna do it. It's about Guyana. Because everybody know me. Everybody knows it's not that serious. Say me, blood clot, say Guyana poor. If me, blood clot, say Guyana live in a boardhouse. You know what all Guyana did have to do is to wait for me and Trini go back live and then shoot against me. That's all they did have to do. On a keyboard, dry and empty in a blood clot. On us have to thank God for we. We is a purpose in our found a life. Yeah. We live off a charity. Charity pay
the score.
Charity pay enough. The whole on we are top, but we live off a charity. You know what? Blood clot. Messi blood clot boy come buy markets off a charity. If your mama did blood clot and live off a charity, maybe we should have better we are so much. And now we get up and start.
And Benz, Stanley by Benz. Forget that.
Stanley by Benz. Still by markets. But 6 Swiss by when buy. 6K TV by when buy. World Ad Web Blood Club people by GLE after the charity. Is that good charity program? Thank you guys. Everybody that contribute to all of us, thank you. Everybody that love us, thank you. So it's a joy to our soul. It is a joy to us, and I want to say thanks on behalf of every one of us. Thank you so much. We entertain people and them contribute to the charity. You know what? They're giving them much class and giving them much mix up, and people love us so much. We joy to the founder life, and like the sad girl, them boy.
That is it, chin large yourself, girl.
Time when the founder.
Now, Georgetown police is saying that, or Guyana police is saying that they have arrested a taxi driver in connection with the slaying. Now, maybe during interrogation, then we get to hear why this take place, or doing more investigations, then we know what actually lead to this. Of course, people are say, our Mackerel say, some people are say, yo, this not have nothing to do with that. That's a just TikTok thing. This is something else. You know what I mean? It is said that these individuals went to the home of the deceased. And like this happened on the road, I never like them and them buck up on the argument. These criminals went to the deceased yard to take him life. I don't know if he is also an individual who got live on TikTok and did a comment on it too. Because that could be a whole another scenario. Because keep in mind, the media, music has been used to fuel violence in our communities across the world. Even at Trinidad right now, them say the music can help fuel that. And when they ask how, them say your entertainers use the music for either taunt rivals or boost for rivals. So I don't know if it's a scenario where Mackerel say what she say, him go live, and him a defend what Mackerel say, and the fact that him live in the country, and him is an outsider. I don't know. And maybe this have something to do with, you know, some of that personal grudge and vendetta, him being an artist and entertainer. But talk to me in the comment section, tell me what you think. If you feel like say, or really Mackerel say, or this is something else. And tell me how you feel about the whole fact that Mackerel say what she said. So she say a whole heap of people attack her, say she shouldn't say what she say. I can't agree with statements what she say. And I can't agree with people that say nothing about fear you either. Because in truth and in fact, she has said them wrong to say what them say. But fear you. Or would she saying the same about a whole country? She can't write neither. Now coupled with the fact that a Jamaican singer residing in the country, the Mackerel disrespect. She be the Jamaican herself, somewhat of an entertainer herself. And the fact that him residing in the country and his life was taken, people are saying, look away. You see why people are saying, maybe I did that. But we still don't know. Before we hear from law enforcement, Guyanese law enforcement to tell me what really take place. What also strange is that people from Guyana list him as a Jamaican singer. Say it's so like him there in Guyana do entertainment. The person when them arrest, them says a taxi driver. These are two individuals we seem like, you know, them occupy, them have an occupation, a career. Or it lead to a taxi driver take the life of a singer. It sounds strange within itself. But as I say, talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, let's pass through. Click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon. And of course, put it on all. And this is how you now will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. The comment section 24/7 never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, you can drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love, and prosper. And for to stay tuned.